Hello, today we are going to discuss about monitoring tools which are used to monitor the network nodes. Here in this we are going to learn about the different monitoring tools like packet sniffer and packet analyzers, then the monitoring the performance of the system and monitoring different interfaces or the ports. So let's first start with the first monitoring tool, that is packet sniffer and packet analyzer. So here the packet sniffer and analyzer tool is used to diagnose network related problem. Basically it is used to check the network if their problem is occur between the networks. So there it is a combination of two tools, that is packet sniffer and the packet analyzer. So first of all, the packet sniffer tool, it interrupts the network traffic or packets from the wired or a wireless network. Basically it taps the network, wired network or wireless network, and it tap the packets from this network to analyze these packets. So when the raw packets data is captured, then the packet analyzer software is used to analyze it and present in human readable form. So in this way the packet sniffer and packet analyzer work. So the network technicians use this information to determine where a fault lies, and such as determining which device failed to respond to a network request. So these informations are utilized to determine the faults in the network. The next is the good packet analyzer can file, means it make the file of this database and sort of a capture file, and it make the sortation of these files and create a output to help us to do monitoring properly. Whereas example like Wireshark is a powerful protocol analyzer software which is used to analyze network traffic. So here this power protocol analyzer is used to analyze the network traffic. So the next is packet flow monitoring is also done by using NetFlow. So here it contains the information like source and destination address, or the source and destination port, source on the device running that flow, and the total number of bytes of that flow. So here a single flow is a flow of packet from one specific place to the another, and each of these flows is then cached or databased in a flow cache or a flow database. So it provides information about the volume and the flow of traffic over the network. So the packet flow monitoring is also used to provide the information about the source and destination traffic flow. The example of this packet sniffer and packet analyzer tools are like Live Action, AsFlows, and IPFix, etc. The next is the monitoring the performance. So how we monitor the performance of a system. So performance monitoring tools are used to monitor the performance of a particular device or a particular application of a device. So it uses the different techniques like log files and the baseline to define the performance. So in log files, it stores the information about the performance of some particular aspect of a system. So performance monitoring tool use log files to track the system performance, and another name is like counters or the facilities. So the log files record like percentage of a bandwidth utilized over a time on a device. So these create a database of the information about the performance of a system. The next is baseline. So baseline is a log of performance indicators such as like CPU utilization and the other value. So it provides information about network and servers, are they working properly or not. So these all operating systems have a baseline tools to provide the performance monitoring of a device. The next is the system which generate a log file. So the system which generate the log files or the baselines has two issues, the security issue and the maintenance issue. The security issue is that we have to provide the security to these log files because they contain the packets, or we tap the packets which is sent between the source and destination, and it will also provide the maintenance to these log files. So the job of providing proper security and maintenance to these log file is called log management. And the example of performance monitoring tool which we use to monitor the performance like Window Performance Monitor, PerformMon, and Linux System Log, that is Linux syslog. So these are the monitoring tools used to monitor the performance of the network. The next is the monitoring different interfaces or monitoring the port of the devices. So interface monitoring is used to monitor bandwidth and utilization of one or more interface or ports on one or more devices. So it basically monitor the bandwidth and utilization of a port on a particular device. So it consists like defining speed, duplex technique, network utilization, packet drop, etc. So in speed it defines the speed of a port which is supported by that port, and whether it is a full duplex port or a half duplex port. And then utilization, total bandwidth supported by the ports. Then it's packet drop. So it drop the packet due to error or discard. So if drop the packet due to error, so we have to monitor how many packet per seconds are errored. And if drop the packets due to discard, so we have to monitor how many frames are discarded per second. So we have to monitor these basic information to provide the monitoring database to the users about the interfaces. So here the example is Cisco Network Assistant CNA software, which is used to monitor the Cisco routers and the Cisco switches ports. So this is all about monitoring tool. Thank you.